you guys in this video how to use Grok AI correctly. So just watch and follow this video till the end. Open Grok AI like this first, and right now you should go, as you can see, this is the home page. First we click here on this three line where we can find our history, and if we click here on the settings, we can find some easy settings like changing theme, allowing and turn off vibration, and log out from the application. If I back to the home page and I click here, how I can change the Grok generation, like Grok 3 or 4, or if want to upgrade to the premium or subscription one. So how to search or how to tag, just for example, come here and click hey, and click confirm your age, click continue. Yeah, it's very fast. For example, I will say create image of Trump in India, for example, and we will see how it works. And right now, guys, as you can see, it's generating images very fast, better than ChatGPT, I guess. So yeah, to save it, just click save. And if you want to upload some images, click here, click photo or files. That's all. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.